The third edition of the Motion in Control 2023 conference was held at the International Center for Automotive Technology in Manesar on 21st and 22nd November. Organized by the Society of Automotive Engineers, North India section, in association with ATS and DATLife, the show was supported by renowned auto industry companies. The show had various experts who presented and discussed on a range of significant topics on the theme of vehicle dynamics and ADAS. Display stalls were also installed outside the conference halls. In addition to this, various track demonstrations were also showcased at the end of both days to everyone attending. Future engineers from various colleges were also invited to be a part of the event. The students were allowed to attend the sessions, and special sessions were also conducted for students in a hall separate from that of the event, wherein auto industry experts such as I.V. Rao, Chief General Manager at Maruti Udyog, and Ramanathan Srinivasan, Managing Director ATS, engaged with the students and imparted knowledge of vehicle dynamics and ADAS.
Society of Automotive Engineers is a not-for-profit organization. Our aim is to bring together the people like from academia, industry and research institute to come together to a platform and share learnings. So you can see participation not only of Maruti but other OEMs as well in this conference. So we bring in OEMs, we bring in component makers, research institute and academia together to share the learning. So this platform, particularly the MIC3, which we are hosting for the third time from SAE-NIS side, is a platform to provide it to all to learn together. And this time also another addition has been that we are bringing in engineering college students. 100 of them would be coming and experiencing and interacting with SAE leaders as well as experiencing the track demo. So we are trying to front load the learnings so that engineering education students also become aware of these technologies and they become better prepared for the future.
It's a pleasure to me to visit this demonstration and also ICAT. It's my first time in India, and on my way from the airport to the hotel, I see how important it is to make more in the safety on the Indian traffic and the Indian market also.
Yeah, the conference has been really interesting to see and to listen to the talks and presentations that have gone on and hear about the adoption of the new technologies. And for us at XDS, it's important to be here. We've been working with our partners ATS here in India for many years. They've represented us, and we see the development of ADAS. It will continue to progress here in India. So we want to be a part of that in ensuring the tests and the validation, and even into the development of autonomous vehicles as well. We can be a part of that.
We wanted to create an event to talk about technology in terms of vehicle dynamics, ADAS, with the engineers across in India, for academia, bringing the whole community together here for deep discussions on this topic, and bringing people from abroad also to come and talk about what's happening in this area, what kind of technology is coming. The differentiator here is probably that we want to also give a demonstration of this technology. So we normally do it on a test track like ICAT, NATRAX, GARC, and we actually show the people this technology at work. We can already see a lot of improvement in terms of tuning of the vehicle for different, let's say, India-specific scenarios. We're still not there at the entire scenario, but then we started working towards that, and that work by the different teams can be seen. Yeah, see, we have different perspectives here. As you rightly said, there's a big divergence right from the OEMs. They talk about what they are looking for, yeah, in terms of technology, or what they are working towards, yeah, and what is their vision going forward. And then you have the technology partners. So today you see here one of the technology partners is Bosch. Then in Chennai you will also see Valeo together with them. So there are so many different technology partners in different areas. You see Gabriel showing a semi-active suspension today. Yeah, so they demonstrate what is happening, what is new that they are able to showcase to the OEMs. Yeah, because the OEMs are also attending this. So in a way they are also demonstrating their prowess to their probable customers here, and also to the other engineers and to students. Yeah, and then also there is a third area of engineering services, people who are developing technology and technical services. So you see a group of them as well, including my company in that area. And finally, there is this group of companies who provide testing and validation. So all these 4 different areas are quite well covered here, and all of them then they are able to convey as a package, yeah, the information to the young engineers and to students. You see, we are from SAE India, Northern India section. So we are based here in the north. So obviously the track here is in ICAT, which comes under our area, let's say. So we start the event always at ICAT here because this is where SAE-NIS is from, in the north of India. But then we wish to take this knowledge across to different parts of India. So last time we were at NATRAX in Indore. This time we are going south to Chennai. Also, one of the reasons that is pushing us is because of travel restrictions and stuff like this. Not many people from the south or from other regions are able to travel to Delhi. Yeah, so then we try to go towards them. The idea is to still spread the technology information, yeah, and also to get more participation. The event only has become bigger because you have 2 days of different type of presenters here and 2 days of quality presenters there itself. So it has become now a 4-day event. So we are able to achieve a little bit more than what we can achieve on a 1-day seminar, let's say. SAE is always interested in the spreading of knowledge. Yeah, so they are very actively involved with the OEMs team. All kind of engineers who are working in this domain, yeah, aerospace or automotive, is what they do. So they are very happy to have this kind of event. So we are very happy from the SAE side to conduct this and to bring more people to the society. So to get more people to get involved in this and to help us to to give more information to youngsters about this kind of technology, that they can think about taking a career in this area and to grow in this career. So our job is to facilitate that they learn and grow. This time I think each day you have seen about 50 to 60 students minimum here coming in. I think this is going to grow in a very big way, yeah, each day. And then you see a number of professors presenting, and you also see a number of professors attending also from different colleges. So already I think there is a decent amount of partnership. If you look at overall, if there were about 200 to 250 people here, 70 to 80 were from the academics. So like 1/4 of the group was from this area. So which is quite a decent participation in my opinion. So probably 30 to 40% is what we are looking at in terms of the number going forward, at least. Yeah, the more the participation, the better it is actually.
So this event has worked like a bridge which filled the gap between a college student and the industry. So we learned a lot of stuff like challenges faced in ADAS and the actual scenarios in India and other countries.
I've got many insights like how ADAS system really implemented in India and how are the challenges that we have to face for implementing ADAS system in the real scenario of Indian conditions. Along with that, I would like to focus upon this thing that machine learning and deep learning are also an intrusive field in ADAS system. That is, we are training our model and then we are applying this on the ADAS system. So that is very informative in this session.
The conference, a lot of research work and the research papers are being presented during the conference, which I love, that the actual physical testing on the tracks of ADAS, that is braking and everything. And I came to know about how the things which are being done in the industries, how testing goes on, how benchmarks are being set up, how different equipments are fitted over the vehicle in order to get the reading and the data.